Hello and welcome to Solidworks Station. My name's Stuart, and in today's tutorial we're going to look at Model Mania 2001 Phase 2. Now if you remember back from the last video tutorial, we looked at Phase 1, and that was all to do with constructing this particular phase of the drawing. We looked at first of all this kind of back support bracket, then this feature here that ran around the back. We had an extruded cylinder, an extrude boss base, an extruded cut, and a rib feature to put in, and then we finished off with the two M6 counterbore holes and a radius 2 fillet. Now, the way that SolidWorks Model Mania works is it's given in two phases. Phase 1, you're expected to complete this particular part using the engineering drawing given, and then once you've completed that, they will then issue you with Phase 2, which are the amendments that need to be made, updates that need to be made to the original in order to make a new part. So this is it, this is Phase 2, and I'm just going to have a little look around now, okay, and see the differences between this one, okay, which is the Phase 1, and this one, which is the Phase 2. So already I can spot that this angle here is changed. If you look at Phase 1, we can see it is at 45 degrees. We look at Phase 2, it's looking to be 55 degrees. As well as that, I have noticed that this value has changed in Phase 2. This is now at 45, where in the original it was 64. And I think that's it. Just check those counterbore holes. Yeah, they're still M6. Yeah, so that's it. There's two changes to be made here. Okay, 55 degrees and 45. What we might see happen is when we increase the angle from 45 to 55, and obviously decrease this length to 45, that might have an impact on the R2 fillets that we've got. We might have to go into that and redo the fillets, but we'll have a look and see what happens. So I'm in SolidWorks and I've got my Phase 1 model complete. If you remember back, I did highlight the fillets so they were easily identifiable by highlighting those in yellow by going in and editing the appearance. So the way we're going to do this, I think, is using this rollback bar. So the rollback bar, basically, as we click on it and drag up, okay, it's basically a history of what we've done. So if I drag just past the fillets, you can see that the fillets disappear completely. If I drag back over the fillets, you can see that all the fillets go back on. So it's almost a history of what we've completed so far. So I'm going to drag right up to here, okay, and I'm going to go normal 2 on that sketch, and I'm just going to edit this sketch. So this angle here, we know that this needs to be 55, and we know that this value here, let's just check, I think it was 45. Phase 2, 45, yep. So let's update this, double click, change to 45, and green tick. Okay. Let's exit the sketch, and we're going to use the rollback bar now. If we just roll it back, okay, we've got our full round fillet on there. Our boss extrude comes out, followed by our cut extrude, no problems so far. The rib, yeah, that's matched the profile that we did in the first bit. The counterbore holes, M6. There's the first one. Remember, we mirrored that to speed the process up. There's 2. Now this is where I think there might be a problem. We'll have a little look. Okay, we've got an error here. Okay, I'm going to just drag down to the next one. Okay, this one looks alright. This one looks problematic. So it's picked up this part all the way around, it's missing this part. So I'm going to go into this fillet, I'm going to say edit fillet, and okay, it's saying it's missing edge 2, so let's just delete that. Alright, let's just see if we can just pick that up now. There we go. Okay, we've picked up that new edge, it's at 2mm, green tick, and then we'll see now on our left hand side, no problems at all in the feature manager, no problems at all with any of the features that we've created. So that was it really for Phase 2. I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope that's been beneficial to people who may be new to Model Mania or people that might be new to SolidWorks. Do follow along with Solidworks Station. There are more Model Manias coming. I'm doing them from the year 2000 all the way through to the year 2020, so do get involved, do have a go with them, and if you've got any problems or you come into any issues with any of the modelling at all in any of the Model Manias or any of my other tutorials, get in touch. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you very much for listening. I've been Stuart from Solidworks Station. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon for another Model Mania or perhaps another tutorial where we can learn something new. Thanks very much and goodbye.